person, I use Google Chat for the team communication. And now what I want is that I want to send an automated message, which is a good morning message with a motivational quote to my team every morning so that they get motivated and work properly. Also, I just want to greet them a good morning. So for that, I've set it up this automation where every day at 9 a.m. this automation is going to run. Using Google Gemini, we're going to generate the message and we're going to post it on our Google Chat space. So in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation and wish your team a good morning every day without any manual efforts. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser, and over here you're going to see the option of this sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can send approximately 100 messages for free, and yes, this is true. So you can try Pabbly Connect using the free 100 task, and once you like Pabbly Connect, then you can move on further and purchase the lifetime deal of Pabbly Connect. There you're going to get unlimited tasks for free, and you can create n number of automations and you can use it for your own business. And if you wish to purchase Pabbly Connect at a very good discount, I'm just going to attach the coupon code, which is RITPC, in the description box below. You can use that coupon code and you can also purchase Pabbly Connect at a very good discount. Once again, I'm just going to repeat the coupon code, which is RITPC. So you can use this coupon code to get heavy discounts. Now let's move on further and see how this automation can be created. So for that, I'm on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as schedule by Pabbly. So let's look for schedule by Pabbly and select it. For the event, we have to select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. Now it is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I'm just going to select it as every day. Now for the time, I'm just going to select the time as 9 a.m. in the morning because I want to notify my team 9 a.m. in the morning. So as you can see, I've entered this and now I'm going to click on this save. Now using Google Gemini, I'm just going to generate a message something like this. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Google Gemini and I'm going to select this. For the event, we have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, open Google AI Studio. Once you open Google AI Studio, from the left end of the side, you're going to get the option of this get API key. So go on this get API key, and once you're on this get API key, over here you have to click on this create API key button. You have to enter your key name, select the project and click on this create key. And as you can see, the key is created. So let's copy this key and we're going to paste it right over here. And as you can see, we have successfully pasted this key. Now let's click on this save and our Google Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, it is asking me for the text using which we're going to generate the message. So I'm just going to enter the text. So I'm just going to generate this in HTML format. You have to make sure that you only generate this in HTML. Otherwise, an advanced message something like this will not be sent. A plain message will be sent. So I suggest you that generate this in HTML only. Alright, now we are going to select the model. So for the model, I'm just going to select it as 2.0 Flash. You can select any another of your choice. For the method, we're going to select it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send send test request, you're going to see here's the message which we're going to send further to our team. Alright, so let's close this. Now we're going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we're going to select it as Google Chat. So we're just going to search for Google Chat right over here and we're going to select it. For the event, we have to select it as create custom card message. If you want to send advanced message like this, if you want to send a plain message, you can select create message too. I'm going to select it as create custom card message and click on this connect. Now it is asking me for the chat webhook URL. So to get this, we're just going to go back towards our Google Chat space, and as you can see, we're going to go towards the name of the space and then towards apps and integrations. Now we have to click on this add webhooks button and we have to name our webhook. So let's say I'm just going to name this webhook as Pabbly right over here. It is asking me for the avatar URL. So if you wish, you can definitely upload the image right over here. I don't wish to add so I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on this save. Now you're going to see this webhook is created. So simply go on this three dots and click on this copy link and paste the webhook URL link right over here. After pasting this link, it is saying header title. So I want the header title to be this. As you can see, this is the header, which is morning motivation. So I want this to be the header title. Now for the header subtitle, I want it to be start your day with purpose. You can customize this according to your own choice. Now it is asking me for the header image URL. So if you wish to add an image in the header, you can definitely add it by entering the URL. But this is not required, so let's leave it as blank. Now it is saying header image type. If you want, you can definitely select it right from here. Now it is saying text, which will be the message. Alright, so we're just going to enter the message right over here with Gemini generated. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. Mapping means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So as you can see that we have successfully mapped this text, and now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have successfully received the positive response, that we have successfully sent this message. So let's open our Google Chat and you're going to see the message is sent. You're going to see this is the message, and with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now every day at morning at 9 a.m. this workflow is going to run, and further Gemini is going to generate the message, and that message will be sent on my Google Chat space. And all of this is going to happen in backend. I don't have to come back in again to my workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.